Netting the big one, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, net a big one. This idiom, often heard in casual conversations, carries a unique meaning and usage. So, let's explore it together and expand our understanding of English expressions. Net a big one is an idiom that originally comes from fishing terminology. In fishing, to net a big one means to catch a large fish with a net. However, in everyday English, this phrase has taken on a figurative meaning. It's used to describe achieving a significant success or making a major accomplishment. This could be in business, personal achievements, or any area where a notable success is realized. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. After years of hard work, our team finally netted a big one with the launch of our new product. She netted a big one when she was offered the lead role in the play. The small startup netted a big one when they secured a lucrative contract with a major company. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, always referring to a significant achievement. When using net a big one, remember, it's mostly used in informal settings. It may not be suitable for very formal or academic contexts. The phrase should be used to describe significant successes, not minor achievements. There are other idioms and expressions with similar meanings. For example, hit the jackpot implies gaining a great success or reward. Strike gold, finding success unexpectedly. Land a big fish, similar to net a big one, often used in business contexts. And that's a wrap on net a big one. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English idiom and how it's used. Remember, idioms are a vital part of language learning and can add flavor to your conversations. Happy learning, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our upcoming videos.